welcome to my video about my Grohe shower installation. Here is the Grohe shower box. I've capped off my points to connect the parts of the shower to. I over-tightened that a little bit too much there, but I think it's okay. There's no leak that I can see. I did unscrew it. To check if the water was actually getting through the box. And there was water poured out everywhere. That's why you can see water on the floor here. Water everywhere. Here I put some cork behind it to make sure it was perpendicular to the wall. Otherwise it had a tendency to lean the other way. So all the connections are done with hemp and plumber's paste. I made shorts. If you look on my channel you can see shorts, 15-second videos explaining how to do the joints with the hemp and the plumber's paste. But everything seems to be dry, because right now I'm doing a pressure test and it all seems dry. And I can't hear anything. So to do the pressure test, I have a pressure testing kit here, and I pumped it up to 100 psi. Just seemed like a nice number to pump it up to. I think the water in the house is limited to 3 bars, so there I'm at 7 bars, so it's plenty of pressure to test it with. And so far it's been under pressure for half an hour and the needle hasn't really moved. It's the first time I ever do such a thing, so kind of have some apprehension about it. To do the test, I used to connect my multi-layer pipe to the... Oh, it's annoying because I do everything in French. I'm in France. And I know all the names in French. But this is a hydraulic press tool. That's the dies. It's a TH16 for multi-layer pipe. Yeah, and they're called free nut adapters, I guess. And there's a male-to-male adapter. I use male-to-male adapter instead of going straight in with a male adapter. Here's a female connector on the shower box, a male-to-male adapter, and a female free nut adapter on my multi-layer pipe, which is pressed on. And the reason for using the male-to-male adapter is in case during the pressure test there's a leak, well, and if you need to redo anything, then you'd have to cut here if you didn't have the male-to-male adapter. If you went straight in with male, you wouldn't be able to undo it because your pipe would twist and break anyway. So that's half an hour I've been testing, and I'm pretty good. It stayed at 100 psi. So I'm pretty happy with that. So this thing, what you do is you put this on the on position that way. You fill it up with water so it's up till almost to the end there. You pump it up, and then when you go to your desired pressure, you put it on the off position so no air can escape out of here, and then you wait, and I think you're supposed to wait up to 1.5 hours. Okay, that's the end of that video. Bye.